Yo, hey, what's good, y'all boys? Hey, Jamal, I'm not gonna lie. Your breath stink, jit. Nah. My breath stink? Wait, don't you got asthma? Oh. That boy run one lap in gym and he gon' pass out. Nah, jit on demon time. Hey, look, bro, why would you even bring that up? That's not funny. Nah, but my breath stink, though. But didn't your dog get hit by a car? Oh. That boy barking up in heaven right now. Nah, jit got no feelings. Is there a problem here, guys? Shut your ass up. Bro, he ain't even do nothing. Nah, but my breath stink, though. But didn't your cousin get stabbed 8 times? Oh. That boy got turned into some sushi. Nah, jit a menace. I know he listened to Young Boy. That's crazy.